There are several of options to take on a side job or do some simple activities and earn money if you need some extra cash. Even though some solutions won't pay off much, they can be sufficient to cover the bills, cost of gas for your car or the credit card payment. These 25 methods will help you earn money both online and offline while still having some scheduling flexibility. Number 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr for services such as writing, graphic design, or programming. Number 2. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys through platforms like Swagbucks or SurveyJunkie to earn cash or gift cards. Number 3. Sell handmade goods. Create and sell handmade crafts or art on platforms like Etsy. Number 4. Rent your property. If you have extra space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. Number 5. Virtual assistants. Provide virtual assistant services to businesses or entrepreneurs. Number 6. Stock photography. Sell your photos to stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Number 7. Teaching, tutoring. Offer tutoring services or teach a skill you're proficient in on platforms like Chegg Tutors or Skillshare. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission through affiliate marketing programs. Number 9. Sell products online. Set up an online store on platforms like eBay or Amazon to sell new or used items. Number 10. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or memberships. Number 11. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in real estate through crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul. Number 12. Stock market investments. Invest in stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds through online brokerage accounts. Number 13. Delivery services. Sign up as a driver for food delivery services like Uber Eats or DoorDash. Number 14. Rent your car. If you don't use your car often, consider renting it out on platforms like Turo or other services. Number 15. Social media management. Offer social media management services to businesses or individuals. Number 16. Fitness training. Become a certified fitness trainer and offer personal training sessions. Number 17. Consulting. Provide consulting services based on your expertise in a particular industry. Number 18. Remote work. Find remote work opportunities in your field through job boards or freelancing websites. Number 19. Invest in cryptocurrency. Invest in cryptocurrencies and explore trading opportunities. Number 20. Maintenance work. If you're a handy person, you could market your skills to friends and neighbors. Not everyone is handy, so this can be a much appreciated skill that people are willing to pay for. By doing maintenance work on the side, you could be working on anything from repairs to minor plumbing. Number 21. Drive for Uber or Lyft. If you have a fairly new car and a good driving record, driving for a ride-sharing service like Uber or Lyft can be an easy and flexible way to make some quick money on the side. You can work on a schedule that fits your lifestyle, whether that means working early mornings, nights, or weekends. Number 22. Babysit. By watching other people's children, you can easily make quite a bit of money, especially if you specialize in working with kids who have special needs or are trained for emergency situations. On websites like Care.com, you can find plenty of families looking for a trusted babysitter. Care.com will take care of background checks and asks applicants other important questions parents will want to know about you. Number 23. Pet sitting or dog walking. If childcare isn't your thing, there are also plenty of ways to make a few bucks watching people's pets or walking their dogs. Consider downloading the Rover or Wag apps. These apps can connect you to pet owners looking for some help with their furry friends. As you build up good reviews, that can help you land more gigs on the app over time. Number 24. Donate plasma. Donating plasma is one way you can make some extra money while also helping out those in need. Plasma is needed by patients suffering from a variety of medical complications, such as severe burns and blood clotting problems. How much you earn will vary depending on the plasma donation center. If you donate regularly, you could earn up to $500 per month. Each state or city may have different requirements, so be sure to check with the plasma donation center you're planning to visit. Number 25. Manage social media account. Many businesses and organizations struggle or don't have the resources to navigate social media and keep their accounts updated. It can be an overwhelming task if a business doesn't have enough staff to prioritize it. For this reason, many companies are willing to pay others to manage and update their various pages, whether that's Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, or something else. Bottom line: regardless of the path you choose to earn extra money, be sure the internet platform you use is legitimate. Examine reviews and learn about the verification procedure on the website. Before overworking yourself, it's crucial to take into account your own spending patterns. If you find yourself feeling overburdened, think about where you may adjust your spending plan or focus on creating saving habits. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.